Feeling sluggish? Dehydrated? Like you might spontaneously combust after a quick jog? Well, what if I told you there's a secret weapon hidden in plain sight, a humble gourd packing the power to transform you from overheated hamster to Zen master? Today, we're diving deep into the world of healthy drinks with a fantastic option, ash gourd juice, also known as winter melon juice. This readily available gourd packs a surprising punch of health benefits, and I'm here to share them all with you. Ash gourd, or winter melon, is a large, pale green gourd native to Southeast Asia. While it might not look like much, it's incredibly versatile and can be used in many dishes. But today, we're focusing on its juice. Ash gourd juice is simply the extracted liquid from the gourd. It has a mild, slightly sweet flavor and is very easy to digest. Now, let's reveal the incredible health benefits of ash gourd juice. 1. Hydration hero. We all know staying hydrated is crucial, but sometimes plain water can feel a little boring. Ash gourd juice comes to the rescue. Because it's about 96% water, it's a fantastic way to replenish fluids, especially during hot weather. Plus, it's a refreshing and healthy alternative to sugary drinks that can leave you feeling even more dehydrated. 2. Digestive aid. Feeling bloated or uncomfortable after a meal? Ash gourd juice might be your new best friend. It contains natural fibers that act as a gentle laxative, aiding digestion and soothing issues like constipation, indigestion, and heartburn. 3. Weight management. Looking to shed some pounds? Ash gourd juice can be a helpful tool in your weight management journey. Because of its high water content and low calorie count, it promotes feelings of fullness and can help curb cravings. Think of it as a healthy pre-meal snack that fills you up without packing on the pounds. 4. Blood sugar balancing act. Studies suggest that ash gourd juice may be more than just a refreshing drink. It might also help regulate blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Ash gourd may help by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing the breakdown of carbohydrates in the body. 5. Kidney health champion. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter waste products from our blood. Ash gourd juice can give your kidneys a helping hand with its natural diuretic properties. This means it increases urination, helping to flush out toxins and promote overall kidney health. 6. Skin health booster. Want that healthy, radiant glow? Ash gourd juice might be the secret weapon you've been missing. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which can help protect your skin from damage and promote cell regeneration. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may even help soothe minor skin irritations. How to make ash gourd juice. Making ash gourd juice is incredibly simple. Here's what you'll need. Fresh ash gourd. Juicer. Water, optional. Instructions: wash and peel the ash gourd. Cut it into small pieces. Juice the ash gourd pieces. If the juice is too concentrated, you can add a little water to taste. Tips: you can add other fruits or vegetables to your ash gourd juice for extra flavor and nutrients. Some popular options include cucumber, ginger, lemon, or mint. Freshly squeezed juice is always best, but store-bought ash gourd juice can also be a convenient option. So, there you have it. Ash gourd juice is a simple yet powerful drink with a surprising number of health benefits. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your health, I highly recommend giving it a try. As always, remember to consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more healthy lifestyle tips. See you next time.